Hi everybody, welcome to Tabata Myo. Myo is short for Myofunctional therapy, where you can do mouth and throat workouts to improve your snoring. A Tabata workout is where you work really hard for 20 seconds and rest for 10 seconds, for 8 rounds, up to 4 minutes. Today, we are going to focus on some exercises to strengthen the throat and reduce snoring. Are you ready? Here we go! In 3, 2, 1. Well done! This is it for today. Come back for more exercises again next time.